In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a Spotify song to your Instagram story. So once you've opened up Spotify and you found a song that you want to share to your Instagram story, what you do is tap on those three vertical dots at the top right. Then you want to scroll down to where it says share and tap on share. Now you will have a couple of options and one of them is Instagram stories. Tap on that. That's going to take you directly to Instagram stories and the song will be posted up on your stories for you to share. Now keep in mind that the song isn't going to actually play. What's going to happen is they're going to have a link to Spotify, and when they click on that link they'll be able to go to Spotify and take a listen. So if I go ahead and scroll this all the way up to where it says my profile name, what's going to happen underneath my profile name, it's going to say play on Spotify. So if I put this in the middle or however I want it, and you can also go ahead and add some stickers to it and so on and so forth. So we can add this sticker and just put this slider there. We can add that like that, and then what we can do is we can share that to our Instagram story. So I'm going to go ahead and tap your story at the bottom left. Now it's been shared to my Instagram story, so I can go to my profile, tap on my profile picture, and there it is, and it says play on Spotify. If I tap on that link underneath my profile icon, it says open Spotify, and will take me directly to Spotify where I can go ahead and listen to the song. So that is how you share a Spotify song to your Instagram stories. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.